Number 6. In a city park, a stone border is to be placed around a rectangular-shaped garden, as shown below. Which of the following expressions represents the number of square feet? So that's telling me to find area of the stone border. So we're only interested in this part of the walkway or the garden, whatever this thing is. We only want to know about this part. So what I'm going to need to do is find the area of the whole garden. Actually, I'm going to find the area of the whole plot of land and subtract out the garden. So we're going to take out that middle section, the garden itself, from the whole park. So there's subtraction involved. I'm going to take the whole plot minus the spot that's reserved for the flowers, the garden itself. So if I know that, I can sort of kind of figure out the answer from here. I know it cannot be C and it cannot be E because those are building up. So I can eliminate C and I can eliminate E. D looks good to me, but we have subtraction in the other two. So let's take a look here. I also need to know that area of rectangular shapes is length times width. So for the whole plot, the length times the width is going to be 30 feet long, that's this dimension, by 15 wide. So 30 by 15 for this one. 30 times 15 is for the whole garden. Minus the garden itself, that white area inside, that is 10 by 24. So do we see something that looks like this? And I sure do. It's D as in Delta, looks exactly like what we have here. We do not have to solve it. If we did, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to solve it, just in case you should have to do that. So I'm going to have 30 times 15, that's 450, minus 24 times 10, that's 240. And I don't trust, I cannot do math in my head. I have dyslexia and it doesn't line up for me in there. So let's see, 30 times 15, let me just check myself. That's 450 minus 240. So the area of the garden is 240. 210 would be the area of the walkway. But again, we did not have to do that. If I were taking a test, I would not waste time doing that. Pick the answer that you want and let it be finished. So it's the expression that you're looking for, and I'm liking D as in Delta.